Welcome back to the Home Studio Simplified channel. Today we have the long-awaited and anticipated video, which will be the Warman Guitars pickup shootout. Now, I'm a big fan of audio geekery, doing any kind of, pitting one company against the other, but this is kind of different in the sense that we're actually doing a shootout between the same company's products, and I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised by what you hear, and maybe it'll even help you to make a better purchasing decision for your guitar if you get to hear all these sort of in succession. So the one thing that I do want to make mention of is that I am not sponsored, endorsed, paid for, none of this is paid for by Warman. They did send me some pickups after seeing my reviews and said, hey, it would be, a conflict of interest for us to actually review our own pickups because people would say that we're collaring the audio samples and we're, lying about things. So would you mind doing them? And I gladly accepted because I love their pickups, and I was even going to get more of them for free. So very cool. Thank you to Warman Guitars, by the way, for reaching out and doing that and helping me to help others as well to make good purchasing decisions when it comes to your products. So very cool idea, and yet again, I'm very humbled and appreciative. So if you were here any time in the past, you'll know that on my channel I do giveaways from time to time, and I actually did give away not too long ago during a Christmas a couple of years or a year ago. I did a giveaway with a first act guitar that I had swapped out the original pickups with these Warman pickups, and during that Christmas I gave away the guitar with the 12 gauge pickups, as you can see here in the picture, and I also gave away the Mirror Man and the Infernos, which you're about ready to hear, to two other lucky winners on that Christmas. A very Merry Christmas to them. And so I like to give away things from time to time on this channel, so if you have not subscribed, this would be a good time to do so. And while you're subscribing, just go ahead and click that bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. And give this a thumbs up if you like it, if it's something that you thought was pretty cool. So if you have not watched the previous videos as well, then I would explain my recording process here so you'll know exactly what's going on. So I have my guitar going straight DI into my 6i6 in this instance. There's no coloration on it whatsoever unless you take into account maybe the cable, which is next to nothing. I am using a Mogami Gold cable, and then it's going straight into my 6i6. And what you're going to hear is a sound example of each one of these pickups here, played over the top of a slow blues backing track. And let's start with the Mirror Man first. Now, to give you also sort of a representation of what's going on, this first measure will be played in the neck pickup. When it goes into the next portion of the song, it will be played in the middle position, and then it will close out on the bridge position. And then I will switch to the Infernos and we'll hear the sound difference there. Now, unfortunately, like in my previous videos, I did not do a compositional track where you get to hear them back to back, but I'll kind of try to finagle it to where we can switch back and forth and see that in action here in just a moment. Okay, so let's go ahead and listen to the Mirror Man pickups first, and then we will listen to the other pickups after that. So here we go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now and listen to the Infernos with the backing track, and let's see what those sound like. Okay, so as you can tell, I was definitely feeling that just a little more. Still not the greatest guitarist in the world, but that sounded a little bit better. I'm a little bit happier to share that one with you. Let's listen to the 12 gauge pickups now with the backing track and see what that sounds like. Okay, so there was just a real quick representation of the pickups, the different varying sonic soundscapes that you get from the Mirror Man, the Inferno, and the 12 gauge pickups. drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think about each one of these, whether you think that one outshined the other, was maybe one better than the other, or did you like all three of them? I don't know. If there's a way, can you put all 6 of them in your guitar? Who knows? If you can find out a way to do that, let me know. So, but either way, I hope this was useful and helpful in some way, shape, or form. Now, I'm going to try my best now to kind of switch back and forth between the 3 without it sounding too choppy, and let you hear kind of like what they sound like back to back. I know that's usually a lot easier. So I'm just going to take a small snippet here like this, and let's loop this, and then I'll just solo each individual one here. So let's take a listen to that. Okay, definitely some subtle differences there, but some differences nonetheless. There were some elements of that I liked more than others, and there were some that I think sounded more pleasing to my ears anyway. I'm not going to necessarily color your decision making on this, however. I'm going to let you go ahead and make the decision as to what you liked, what sounded better to you. So normally I would kind of give my input on what I think they sound like, but in this instance I'm just going to kind of let you make that decision, because honestly all 3 of these are good viable options. So now let's listen to a little snippet here in the middle position and kind of go between all of those. Let's start with the Mirror Man first. Okay, I think I got a clear winner in that one, but yet again, not saying anything here, just gonna let you make the decision, and then from there you can, Inferno, you can make the decision on your own. I'm not gonna color your decision by any means. Inferno sounded better, but I mean, okay, let's go ahead and listen to the bridge position and see what that sounds like, starting with the Mirror Man. to say now. I'm so confused. They're all good. Okay, but if I had to make a decision on that one, I'd either go with the Mirror Man on that one or the 12 gauge. So, but yet again, not trying to color any decisions here. You listen to the sound examples, you make the judgment call, which one sounds better to your ears. Drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you guys thought about each one of these. Was it the Mirror Man that you liked more? Was it the 12 gauge? Was it the Inferno? And then maybe give some reasons as to why you thought each one sounded better, or where it sounded better in what position. Maybe that would help individuals who are trying to make purchase decisions. They could read your comments and you could be beneficial to the entire community for this. And yet again, if this is your first time being here, I would go ahead and definitely suggest that you subscribe and click that bell icon so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Until next time, guys, I'll be talking to you all later.